Hey, what's up, guys? This is John from Back on the Road DIY. Today I'm gonna do a quick video. I got this. I'm driving this 2018 Freightliner Cascadia, and we had a snowstorm. On Saturday. Today's Tuesday. We didn't work. I didn't work since Saturday, so it's been Saturday, Sunday, Monday that I didn't work, and we had a very big snowstorm. So the truck was sitting with a lot of snow. And today I'm gonna show you. Take a look right here at the fuel gauge. See, when we move it, you see all the gauges went back, moved, and then went back. You guys see that? But the fuel didn't move. And I'm gonna show you guys what happens if it wasn't for the snowstorm. I would be a little bit concerned. But since we had the snowstorm, sometimes the electrical that goes into the tank, it gets maybe water in there, salt, or sometimes the ground gets disconnected. So, and this I believe is in the bottom of the tank. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna check for it, and you're gonna see that it's gonna be a quick fix. A lot of time it's just dirty. You just gotta disconnect it and connect it back, and it should be all good. So let's go check this one out. Put this on. Oh, like this one is on top. Look, sometimes this is in the bottom. I thought it was in the bottom, but this is on top, and look, disconnected. Something that simple. Make sure it's clean. Put it on. Perfect. Now let's check it. Okay. So now we go back here. Turn it on. Now you see that? Now both needles move. So that tells us we good. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.